Congratulations on finishing up your registration for the Walk with Ease program. You've gone through step one, which was creating your portal login and entering your mailing address, and also selecting a group that you're going to be a part of if that applies to you. You've also completed the pre-program or baseline questionnaire. So this next page that you're looking at right here just describes a little bit about the next steps. If you would like to print these out for reference, you can print them out by clicking on this button right here. It will pop up as a PDF and you can print that or save that for future reference. Once you move past this page, you will not have access to it, so make sure that you write any of this information down if you need it. So if you have selected to receive a print book, that will get to you hopefully within the next 5 to 7 business days. We do ship them out at least 2 times a week, usually more frequently, and they are sent via media mail. So it might take a little bit longer than expected to get to you, but please just know that if you select the print option of the book, that's about what the process will look like. If you selected the digital option, if that was an option to you, please note that not all these options are available to everyone, then your digital book is available to you in your portal. So all you have to do is log into the portal to access it and read it. The portal is mobile friendly, so you can access it and read your book on your smartphone, tablet, or any other mobile device. When you're on this page, you can see that there is a button here that says, I have my book and I'm ready to start Walk with Ease now. That will basically launch you into the program where you can begin utilizing your book and the tools that are in the portal to complete the program. It will also give you the option of beginning to track your minutes and set your walking goals. Now, some of you may be curious about what the portal looks like, but don't quite yet have your print book or have not received a book from an organization, or perhaps you purchased the book on your own and you're still waiting for it, but you'd like to see what it looks like. That's why we added this feature right here called the preview. So you'd like to look at it, but you're not quite ready to start the program. We also know that sometimes life can happen. Perhaps you registered for the program and then became ill or experienced an injury or a caregiving situation and weren't able to start it right away. Next time you log into your portal, you will be taken to this page and you can start the program whenever it is convenient for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview here, just so you can get a sense of what happens when you click into the portal. This is an example of someone who has selected to receive a digital book. So once they are in the portal, they just access their digital book by clicking on the blue section up here or on the chapter numbers in the schedule for the week. As you can see, each day or each week of the portal has a section that is dedicated to you setting your goals and tracking your accomplishments. This section looks the same in each week of the program. You can also see in the bottom right-hand corner where there is a graph, and this graph will follow you throughout the program to show you how many minutes and days of walking and to really give you a visual of how you've progressed throughout the program. I'm just going to go ahead and click through so you can see what I mean by each week having kind of a similar format. That was week 1. This is week 2, week 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you have noticed as we've been clicking through this, that in the center part of each of the weeks, there is a video embedded into this. We're really appreciative to our friends and collaborators at the Arthritis Foundation, as well as the Cooperative Extension, for putting together these videos and allowing us to embed them into the Walk with Ease portal. You can click on the video and it will pop out into a separate screen so that you can view that week's video. Each video is roughly around 7 to 10 minutes long, and you can save them and watch them later or as it fits into your schedule. I'm going to go back to week 1 so that I can talk a little bit more about the schedule for the week. You'll see that all of these items really line up with everything that is in the Walk with Ease book. So you'll read the first chapter in the book, and you'll see that there are other tools and resources within here, such as the starting point self-test, the walking plan, the walking contract, etc. Each of these tools you can click on and it will pull up into a separate tab in your browser. You can save it or print it as you see fit. They're all optional tools for using through the portal, but we really do recommend that you use them to get the most out of the program. As with any sort of health program, you really get out of the program what you put into it, and we believe that utilizing these tools will help you get the most out of the Walk with Ease program and experience the most success. So as I mentioned, this was the preview button that we logged into. If you're ready to go ahead and start and you're already kind of in the preview setting, you just click on I have my book and I'm ready to start. And what that does is it switches all of these previously grayed out areas of your goal setting into fields that you can actually begin to put some goals in and track your minutes in. If you are a person who would prefer to keep track on a daily basis in here, you can change this to a daily walking accomplishment diary. So you could log in daily and put how many minutes you've walked each of these days. And it will save that for you. I'm going to go ahead and log out now, and then I will demonstrate that you will probably come to your home page. Your page for the portal may look a little bit different than everyone else's. You may come to a page that looks like this, that has all of our different partners on it. You would just select your partner logo, and you would click login in the top right hand side. And then you would enter your username or email and your password, and that will log you back in to where we just were. I hope you enjoy the Walk with Ease portal and the Walk with Ease program, and we look forward to hearing from you at the end of your journey and hoping that we celebrate lots of success with you.